in order for humankind to advance further into space, we're going to need to rely on the resources that are out there.
Yeah, so I think this is happening a lot faster than people realize. It's quite likely that they're going to have people on the surface of Mars by 2026.
The realization of the unlimited abundance and the value of resources from space was evident at the very start of the space age. Mines is at the center of this new approach towards space, at the center for space resources.
So what I'd say is that it's a really exciting time to be getting involved in this. There's a lot happening with national space agencies, and what's really exciting is what's happening with all of these companies who are now putting a lot of time and money and resources into space.
Right around the same time that we entered the 3D Printed Habitat Challenge, the School of Mines created our Space Resources program, which is intended to create an educational program for graduate students to teach how to use resources of space.
What we have put together is the very first program in the world looking at educating scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, economists, and policymakers in the developing field of space resources.
It's been a really cool opportunity and really unique collaboration between industry and university.
So we have over 100 graduate students currently enrolled, and it's really exciting to see their activities, their research, and a lot of those students are starting to form their own companies that are then actually going on to do really interesting things in space.
The faculty here, the resources that they have here between the labs, the students themselves, the facilities, it really gives another kind of leg up.
I really cannot think of any other institution that is more capable and better prepared to be at the center of the space resources revolution. What can be more interesting, more inspiring, more exciting, more appropriate for a forward-looking university such as Mines than to be involved in the next frontier, space?